Hey gems, it's Cinderella OG and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be installing this beautiful hair from none other than Ashley Marie. Well, I'm not going to be installing it, but my beautiful hairstylist is going to be doing so. So, you know, I am trying out a new different hairstylist because TJ is sadly leaving to LA. Yes, I know guys, it's very sad, but it's okay because we want him to thrive. So if you guys need a hairstylist and you're in LA, go ahead and reach out to TJ and Blake. They have everything that you'll need. Go ahead and use their info in the description box down below to go ahead and plug in with them. But let's go ahead and get back to this hair that's being installed today. So we're doing a basic glue down install with this beautiful highlighted wig from Ashley Marie. This hair is everything. The ash blonde actually really fits so many different skin tones and textures, and I was actually really surprised with how it looked on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys sit back, relax, and watch this slay of an install. Now she did a few different install techniques that I haven't really seen before, and I love to see different stylists try different ideas or different things that they do that might be different from other stylists. Now it was very interesting to me that she actually used foam to go ahead and set that side part down. Now I think this is because she initially thought it was going to be in a middle part, which is okay because that means it's going to be easy for me to change it to a middle part or a side part, either way you got it. But I think it was really, really cool to use the foam and wrap the hair so that it could really, really lay nice down and flat. Now we did minimal to no baby hairs, so just where you see that side part begin is where the baby hairs are. And of course, she got it bone scraped. great, y'all. I mean, Bone Thugs and Harmony straight. That is going to be it for this gorgeous install. Like, guys, look at how this is looking. It's just so beautiful, and as you guys can see by my reaction, I was really feeling it. So after our face gets beat, we are done for the day, and that is going to be it for this video. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, comment down below what you liked about it, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and beautiful, gems. Smooches.